everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is pizza, but not just any pizza, a keto tortilla pizza. Now you can put on it whatever you like. We're going to put a link to the original recipe in the description box below, but we did not make what is on that recipe. I mean, we used it for the tortilla pizza crust part of the recipe, but we did not use it for the actual ingredients on top of the pizza. So that is totally up to you. And this one is a taco pizza, so you could totally use it for Taco Tuesday. But it was delicious. Well, my mom will show you the kind of keto tortillas she got for this recipe, but this is probably the best keto pizza crust we've tried that actually stays together for the most part and makes it easier to eat like a pizza than any other crust we've tried so far. So definitely give it a try. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog.
Happy Monday, everybody. As Yoda said, we're making keto, low-carb, high-protein tortilla pizzas for the Monday meal. However, these are taco themed, so you could always use them for Taco Tuesday as well. We are using the beef-free, I got these at Walmart, gluten-free, high-protein, carb-savvy tortillas. After you take out the fiber, you have 11 grams of protein per tortilla and only 3 grams of carbs. So yeah, I sprayed the air fryer sheet for my oven. You want to preheat to 400 on air fry. And there's 3 of us, so I got 3 ready to go. And then this is what we're using as our topping. So I've got some onions, some frozen diced onion, about an onion there, give or take, about a cup. Then like a fourth to a half a cup of on the border salsa. Then I've got 2 pounds of ground venison that I have browned. Then a couple tablespoons of chili powder. I did a couple teaspoons of the blend seasoning, which is salt, pepper, and garlic. And then I did like a teaspoon or so of the smoked ground paprika. So that is what I'm using to flavor our venison. And then I'll show you how to put it on there and how long to air fry it for, but I'm excited. Excited! Making us some keto taco pizzas. All right, I'm gonna mix this together, let the onions cook a little bit, and then I'll show you how we layer our pizzas. All right, so we put our meat that we made onto the tortillas, and then you leave just a little bit of edge around for the crust. And then I spray the tortillas with olive oil spray before I put the stuff on them. And then I put cheese on top of that. So this is Mexican style shreds, regular cheese for those who are not allergic. And then I have my BioLife vegan Mexican style shreds for me who is allergic. I have my own little separate air fryer tray. Remember, 400, and it's for 7 to 10 minutes. So they said watch it after 7 minutes just to see how much longer you think it needs to cook. So that's what we'll do. This was 10 minutes. I should have checked at 7, but I was not in here. So, but 10 minutes, they're pretty done. So I'm gonna use a pizza cutter to cut them. But if you want them less done, I would check them at 7 minutes. But again, it depends on your air fryer. Happy Monday, enjoy.